Hi, it's Stuart at RE/MAX One. Yes, I sold this home immediately after it had been on the market for about 8 months with another broker. One of the reasons is quality of presentation. Not a bad picture, but this looks so much better. Look at the vibrant colors. You get a feel for the home and the backyard. Not a bad picture, nice big pool, but how much more appealing is this? Look at the colors. You can nearly touch that water. The presentation online is dramatically important in today's environment. The backyard was big enough to add a tramp or playscape, and our pictures showed that. In addition, they showed how much room there is for family and guests to hang around on the patio and around the pool. The upper deck was a big draw. This was a previous picture from a previous broker of the upper deck. Here's ours. Once again, really gives you a feel of the space offered on that balcony. You spend a lot of time in a family room. Staging and photography make a huge difference. Look how much brighter and appealing and what a draw that family room is. Now you start every day in the breakfast room, right? Why not start in a bright, open, cheerful area? Same breakfast room, just shows differently based on how it's presented. The kitchen is where you hang out with your family and your guests, and well, why not be in a bright, open, cheerful kitchen with lots of space? You see, staging and photography are huge in making sure a home is presented properly. We include pictures of little niches like this to show that, hey, there's a desk area and extra space to work in the kitchen. Now, I'm going to go back to staging and photography. Look what a difference the paint color makes and the photograph of this master suite. Now upstairs, where the kids hang out, this room is pretty good size, but you can't really tell from that picture. Our picture gives you a much better idea of the space available in this game room. The very first picture you see, do you want to see more pictures? With this front picture, you're much more likely to continue to look at this home. People spend more time on my listings than they do the average listing on the market because of the presentation we make. Yes, I provide a professional photographer, a stager, a handyman, an inspector, all at my cost. Look at my new level of service at berrycreekservice.com.